Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan, and this is a rear entry mobility wheelchair accessible vehicle with a manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate. I can operate the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to operate and very low cost to maintain. A lot better than dealing with all those expensive electric ramps and doors. It's got a handle on either side, and I can take this down using only my index finger. Look, it's spring assisted. All it takes is my index finger. Very easy to do. The ramp is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than a side entry. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base. It does have 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner is in great condition, has the rear air controls. Between these front 2 seats, there's about 21 inches of room. You can the chairs, the person's leg can sit between the seats if you like. We can get more narrow seats in there if you need. Tell us what you need. Tell us the measurements you need and we'll configure a van to meet your needs. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel controls, backup camera, dual climate control, cup holders galore up here, plug-ins as well, cup holders in the door down there. And we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van, so when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look there, 1 finger, real easy to do. Latch it all back down. This is a much better design than designs that turn or slide here. Those are going to rattle and they're going to drive you crazy. I'm telling you what, this here is a great design, brand new conversion. I go to shut the door and you're ready to roll. Do walk around on the van, very clean. Got tinted windows. This beautiful blue, very rare color. These tires have about 12,000 miles on them, so still a lot of tread left on them. A few nicks and scratches in the paint. I mean, it's to be expected. It's a used vehicle, but overall fairly clean. Or very clean, I should say. Very nice looking van. As far as the interior, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors, no cigarette burns, no pet odors, nothing like that. Does come with the owner's manual in here as well. It's got the 1 key in it. If you want to order additional keys, you can at your cost. They're $199 a piece currently. As long as pricing doesn't go up, they will, from the manufacturer, they'll stay that way. Much the same on the driver's side over here. We always show you the VIN number, so you know we're selling the van that we say we're selling. Like I said, super clean interior. Current miles 12,632. I go to turn the van on. Fires up first time, every time. No ABS, no check engine lights, no airbag, no lights like that on. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6. This van comes from the manufacturer with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. So it meets the specs to be all under the bumper to bumper warranty. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And it comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty from the manufacturer. As I crawl underneath the van, you can see it's very clean. It's no signs of any damage, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. This is exactly what we want. This is exactly what I'm looking for when I'm looking for a van. A 1-owner van, no accidents, clean title, just like this one. And the difference between us and our competition is we show you the undercarriage of the vans. Look at our competition, look at their pictures. They don't show you what's going on underneath the vans. And I'm telling you right now, you get a van that's all rusted out, has a bunch of issues or anything like that, they don't tell you about. It's going to give you problems for the entire time that you have it. And that's the number one problem, mistake people make when shopping for used vehicles. They assume because it looks pretty in pictures, they assume because it's a 2019 with only 12,000 miles on it, they assume that it's rust free. You ever seen a van go through a New York winter with 12,000 miles of New York, snow and ice? It's going to be rusted out underneath. So that's why I get down on my back and on this ground and I show you what you're getting. Don't assume things. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more on a mobility van, tell them to get outside, get off their keister, get out and make you a video so you can see exactly what you're getting. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a video. We've also checked the power mirrors, power locks, power windows. We check everything, not just the big things. We push every button. We make sure the heat works, the air works. The radio works. No surprises. You don't have to assume these things work. You know they work. Let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you don't have to assume you know this van runs and drives good. And whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our homework. We've made sure this van runs and drives nicely. Got it to about 68 miles an hour. You see that little tire pressure light came on. We've got a leak in the back driver's side tire. We're actually, as soon as I'm done here, I'm taking it to the tire shop. We're getting a brand new tire put on there. Brand new, same, have matching tires, just a brand new one back there. So that's why that light's on. We're aware of it. We're gonna try and get her fixed. So I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Please compare us to the competition. I welcome it. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Do they? Be sure and look up and find out. Look at all the positive things, the hundreds of people that have said great things about our company online. We have great reviews. You know, buying a used vehicle, especially for buying sight unseen on the internet from across the country, most likely, you know, it's hard enough to do dealing with a good company. And imagine doing it with companies trying to hide things from you. You know, buyer beware. Also, we don't have any hidden fees. Speaking of hiding things from people, a lot of these dealers have a great price online. Then they have a $500, $1,000, $1,500 in what they call administrative fees, dock fees, tag fees. Folks, those are just made up words to get more money from you. It takes us 5 minutes to do the paperwork on this. There's no fees. They're hiding money from you. And if they're going to hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you? Are they not telling you about a flood the van's been in? Are they not telling you about an accident? Are they not telling you about some mechanical problems? That is not the way we do business here. We're transparent with our vans. We're transparent with our pricing. What you see online is the price to get this vehicle to your front door. No one, and I mean nobody, can compete with the prices and the deals we have here at Affordable Mobility with getting this van to your front door. Also keep in mind, when you deal with the other companies, you're going to talk to a used car salesman. I am the owner of this company. I've been the owner of this company for 9 years. I will be here 5 years from now. I will be here 10 years from now. Most of these used car salesmen, all they care about is that commission check. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. They just see dollar signs when you walk in. Me, I'm the owner of the company. I want you back. I want your repeat business. I want your cousin's business. I want your brother's business. I want to take care of you. I want to treat you right. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'll be ready to talk to you anytime, anywhere. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, if that works better for you, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Again, my name is Jeremiah. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition. I want you to ask them for the owner's cell phone number. Are they committed to quality? Are they committed to giving you a good deal? Are they committed to customer service enough to give you the owner's cell phone number? Try it. Find out. Let me know how that goes for you. We do have financing available. We see our complete inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.